how to create storybooks free with AI. So you want to start creating storybooks to sell and make money, and you don't know where to start or how to start, or you don't even know stories. But yes, there is an AI tool that can actually help you create your AI storybooks or create storybooks for free. No copyright, no copyright at all. These books, you can actually sell them online. Yes, you can sell them on every or any website and make money, and you will not have any copyright or any complaints. Now, these stories, you need to prompt for them, which I will be teaching you how to prompt to get a good story. Okay, I'll teach you how to prompt to get a better story. Now, these stories can actually be Bible storybooks, they can actually be children's storybooks, bedtime storybooks for kids, or alphabetical books for kids, whatever books that you want to create or stories that you want to create in storybooks or put in storybooks and sell them to make money. Bro, I am here to teach you how to do that. So I'll be teaching you how to explore this AI tool today, and it's actually for free. Whatever location that you at, Africa, wherever, this tool is actually free for you to use and create storybooks and sell the storybooks and make money. Like right now, if you're broke on social media and you have a phone, it is your fault. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to work with AI tools, and I review AI tools for you for free. So if you have any AI tool that you want me to review for you, comment in the comment section and I'll do that immediately after this video. So let's go into this tutorial. Let me teach you how you can actually create your storybooks with AI for free and make money on social media, and teach other people how to do it and also make money. Let's go into this tutorial, guys. So first thing first, what you need to do is you can go through the browser or you can go to your app store. But I'll start by showing you to go through the browser. So let's say I'll click on my browser. Once you get to your browser, you type Gemini, okay? Gemini. Gemini, you type this. Now you have this, the first one. That's the first one that says it links with ChatGPT. And then you go down and you get this particular one. This second one, you can see it with the star, that one. You click on it. Once you click on it, you register on it. For those who are not registered, so I'm teaching you how to use it if you're not registered, okay? If you're registered on it, and then you have here where it says ask Gemini, okay? Ask Gemini, sorry. So now that's it, guys. My pronunciation, you can pronounce your own way. So that's it. Now let's go to the app. You can do it on your app store or you can do it from your Apple store, like Apple store or Google store, right? So if you have Android, you can use it on Android. If you have your iPhone, you can use it on your iPhone. So I already have it installed on my iPhone. This is it up here. You can see it again. Gemini, you can see it there with the star. So I'll click on it. Once you click on it, it opens like this. So if you are already a member here, okay, like I'm a member, I'm registered, so you can just download the app, then you register on the app. That's it. Now, once you get to this app, this is the interface that it will give you. Once you have this interface, the next thing that you need to do is to click up here, above here, top left, where you see the three lines at the top left, you click there. Now, when you click at the three left, you see new chat, explorer, and many, many more, right? You have all these things coming down. Now, click on explorer. Now, you click on this explorer, okay? When you click on this explorer gems, you click, it will open like this. It gives you another interface. Now, when you get to this interface, this is where the work starts, okay? The first one says Storybook. Create a customized pictured book for either children or adults. You can create for either children or story or whatever you want to create. Brainstorm, if you want to brainstorm new ideas, inspiration. That is, if you don't have anything to write, you don't know what to write. But now I'll click on the storybook. Okay, let me click on the storybook itself. Now we have it here. You can see storybook. They're even giving you like different ideas of what you can take. But yeah, let's start here where it says Ask Storybook. That is where I'll click. Ask Storybook, I'll click. Now I'll teach you how to prompt for a storybook. Okay? Yeah, we all can use prompts, but not everybody knows exactly what to write to get something good. Now, what I'll say here is I'll say create me a storybook about a little girl. So we start with a little 3D 3D. Always put your 3D in capital letters. Your D in capital letters, sorry, 3D pixel style. So I'll say 3D pixel style. Pixel style. So create me a little girl, 3D pixel style. Okay. With black afro hair. Black afro hair. Going for an adventure. Going for an adventure with her little dog. This is what I'm writing. Okay. Now, after I get this, the next thing that I need to tell ChatGPT, Gemini is I'll say Gemini, Gemini, guys, please just let me be. Okay. So I'll tell Gemini after I've given what I want, I'll tell them make it educative. Okay. Make it I said make it educative and let it end with a moral lesson for kids. Okay, so I said a little girl. I just said little. A little girl. Age 4. Okay, a little girl age 4. So let's put it this way, right? Now I have all this description. Create me a storybook about a little girl age 4, 3D pixel style with black afro hair going for an adventure with her little dog. Make it educative and let it end with a moral lesson for kids. That's it. Now I have done this. The next thing that I need to do is to click on generate. And now here, once I put this, if I click on generate, it will definitely generate this story. But now you can actually say, please create a start cover page, and the back cover page, okay? And the back end cover page. Now, that is because you do not want your book to look funny. If you don't know how to create cover page, some people don't know how to create cover page. So it is better for you to create a cover page already here. And then later, you can just print out your book and get it sold. If you don't want to print it out, you can just sell the book online with a cover page already, right? So I'll click here and generate. So they say, just wait seconds, your book will be ready. Creating your storybook. Okay, this takes 1 to 2 minutes. Can you hear that? Can you read that? All right, let's wait. As in this social media right now, if you're not making money, your fault. If you have a phone and you're not making money, it is your fault. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share. And do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, or the next AI hustle you have seen online and you want me to break it down for you, because I do break bones, or I broke bones of AI tools. So, yeah. So let's go. Let's wait for this to generate. Okay. So we have our generation done. Now they're saying, I have written a story for a 4-year-old about a little girl and her dog who go on a backyard adventure. Now they put this backyard adventure because the girl is 4 years old. So they cannot really go a crazy adventure, right? Which I love. Now enjoy your reading. I'll click here on open. You click on open. When you click on open, then you wait for your story. Do you know the good thing about this? This story, these people give you this story with pictures, which means any child can actually do this, okay? They're giving you with story. So you see, this is the cover page, okay? This is the cover page for it. Now, there it starts. Now, you can see here. Naya, a girl with hair like fluffy clouds, love adventure. Come on, Pip, she said, grabbing her map. Let's find the hidden treasure. So this is it. You can see here, that's the storybook. Now it looks like this because it's on phone. On your laptop, it looks more bigger or more better. And this book, I generated it in a portrait mode that is 9.16. If you want, you can generate your book in 16.9, the longer form of book, the landscape book. But this one is like those mini storybooks. You can see, right? Now listen to your book here. Listen.
The Great Backyard Adventure. Naya, a girl with hair like a fluffy cloud, loved adventures. Come on, Pip, she said, grabbing her map. Let's find the hidden treasure.
You see? Yeah, your book is ready. Super ready. Okay? Now, once you have everything here, they're telling you, you see, it has the front page and the back page like I asked for. The cover page and the back page like I asked for. So you can see this book is ready. Your book is actually ready. Now, if you click here, they say high pitch voice. You can choose the high pitch voice. You can choose the low pitch voice. You can start from the beginning, okay? Listen your book again. This is actually something you sell online. This book can be downloaded in PDF form and you sell it online on any platform. Be it Stan Store, be it YouTube, be it any platform where you actually sell your things. For those who have websites, you can sell it on your website as well. Now, this is very good because you can download this. Let's give it a thumbs up. You can download this book anytime, any day, and sell it. Why I love this Gemini for creating your storybooks, guys. Okay? Now, if you want me to teach you how you can actually upload these books online, please comment in the comment section as well. Teach us how to upload these books online. That will be another topic because I don't want this video to be super long. Okay? So yeah, your book is ready and you can download this book. You can listen to this book. You can sell it online. You can even be a storyteller online by just having these books, downloading them and just posting them on your TikTok page or YouTube page, and the books will be reading themselves and you will be making mola. Okay? So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section. Thank you guys so very much.